Most welcome everybody, I'm SharlotChi. I'm going to show you an artwork that has been made so quick with spray art, fluid art, combining both of them. But one of the most important things I apply is just connecting to the universe, the cosmos, just to bring these talents through my hands and open them up when doing my artwork. So that is the one I've been doing for children, art for children, as they need to reconnect with the elements and animal kingdoms. So I didn't change a single inch in this artwork, and yet it has been done just in one flow, one elixir of pure energy. So I hope you enjoy this technique in which you are unafraid and just bring through whatever resides in your body, in your brain, in your emotions and cellular construction. Enjoy!